So today I'm going to make my first custom outfit. A few days ago when I was watching a custom t-shirt on Instagram, I realized that I can also make new one. So in this video I'm going to make new one that's blur, fits better, but most importantly it doesn't fade if I put it on a washing machine. But before I start working on a cloth, I'm going to design the outfit that I want to make. And I'm going to customize the front side of t-shirt. I have to add a mixed character to my drawing. My first custom outfit, here we go.
Hold on, speak no English, but she know about the game. Book a flight, I'm feeling like I'm ready for the fame. What do I know? All I line up. Overnight, what a ride, what a time. She's in Spain. Hold on, speak no English, but she know about the game. Book a flight, I'm feeling like I'm ready for the fame. What do I know? All I line up. Overnight, what a ride, what a time. Running at it like a track star.
Okay, I finished all my character. I really like to know how it turned out. I don't know. I'm going to turn this out into reality. But let's just hope for the best. Okay, let's start customize the t-shirt.
In my face, you could be here once, till the minute get a raise. When I'm flooded in the money, I'ma drip just like a lake. And I know for sure, I know.